My queens, look at this. Get close to the screen and check out this growth. 4 weeks, an entire month. And the shine? It's as perfect as day one. Not a single lift, not a single chip. It looks like we finished them yesterday, doesn't it? But today, we're facing a real challenge. We have a combo that would make any beginner nervous. We're dealing with 3 major issues on these hands. Number 1, rubber skin. This isn't dry skin that flies off with the bit. It's elastic, moist skin that refuses to cooperate. Golden rule is never, ever apply cream before a manicure. Hydration comes after, never before. Number 2, hooked nails. Those nails with a natural tendency to grow downward, losing all structural elegance. And number 3, the most delicate part, a very pronounced hyponychium on every finger. Ladies, this is about health. The hyponychium is living tissue. It's the body's natural defense barrier to secure the nail plate. It is strictly forbidden to cut it. If you try to cut it just to get more length, you'll cause unbearable pain and bleeding. The body is wise. The hyponychium is there to protect us. Our body is the most intelligent engineer in the world. The skin is our largest organ, and it reacts to aggression. If you bite your skin or rip off hangnails, your brain gets an alert. We're under attack. Build a stronger wall. And that's why the skin grows back faster and thicker. Hit that like button right now if you've ever felt that the more you cut your cuticles, the thicker they get the following week. For this difficult rubber skin, my only religion is the hardware manicure. Is it slower? Yes, but I don't work for today's photo. I work for the long-term health of these hands. Here you see me in action. With rubber skin, you cannot improvise. In my hardware technique, the secret isn't force, it's the intelligence of the movement. I'm playing with the E-file the whole time. I change the RPMs, speeding up and slowing down. There is no magic universal speed. I switch from forward to reverse constantly to ensure the cuticle pocket is flawless. I look for the perfect angle. I don't press the bit against the skin, I let the diamond do the work. If you press, you create heat. If you create heat, it hurts. And at Olga Nails, pain is not invited to the party. How do you make the skin look photoshopped and prevent hangnails from appearing 3 days later? The secret is the final buffing. After cleaning everything, I use a soft abrasive buffer on each sidewall. It's like giving a silk finish to a marble sculpture. My client told me she doesn't bite her skin, but the body doesn't lie. Eventually, she confessed, "I don't bite it, Olga. I rip it off with my nails when I'm nervous." Listen, if you rip or cut, the body sends reinforcements, and the skin becomes like sandpaper. If you buff, the skin calms down. Look at the screen now. One hand finished with the hardware technique, buffed and perfect, versus the other hand that just arrived. The difference is insane, right? Tell me in the comments, how many differences can you spot? Let's move to the construction. Remember, the base is the foundation for everything. Today, we're rebuilding the architecture with gel to correct those downward growing nails. On the index fingers, where the drop is most obvious, we apply more material to the free edge. The goal? To lift that tip and create a straight, strong structure. Filing is an art. The side walls are like the load-bearing walls of a house. If you overfile and weaken those walls, the whole structure will collapse. Polish cannot hide a bad filing job. Look at this before and after. That's not a hooked nail anymore. It's a perfectly aligned gem. And now, the magic. A soft, delicate sky blue. See how easy it is to apply with this flat, rounded brush that mimics the cuticle shape? 2 thin layers are enough because this pigment is very high quality. The secret to a perfect application is the prep we did earlier. If the cuticle is lifted and the pterygium is plain, the color just glides on, no flooding. Watch this. We use a non-wipe jelly gel to create 3D waves with a dotting tool. We draw free-form lines, cure in the lamp, and magic. We apply the mirror pigment to the relief. Look at that shine, it's mesmerizing. We seal it with a thick top coat. And here's my final tip. Flip the hand over and apply top coat to the underside of the nail. This seals everything, protects against dirt, and gives our architecture extreme durability. What an incredible result! From a hooked nail to an impeccable design. This is only my second video here in the US. Subscribe now to join this journey to 1 million followers. Check out my first video to see my full method. Love you all. Blessings and stay stylish. Bye!